Hey, how's it going today? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to start working on the air filter box. And what I've got here, I kind of scrounged the junkyards and found what I thought would work. This is a off of a 95 Mercury Sable, I believe. And kind of see what it looks like here. Clips, air filter to the box, and I'll show you where I'm going to try to put this on the car. Okay, here's a shot of the front air dam, and right here is the air inlet on the front of it. Okay, here's inside the air dam. You can see the opening right here for the air inlet. Here's my box. So what I'm going to try and do is cut a hole in the front of this box, same size as this. Slide this box over it. Then I'll be able to hook up an adapter here or something and hose it into the rest of the car. So the first thing I'm going to do is trace this hole onto the face of this and trim it out and start fitting it. Also, I'm going to have to cut this flange flush and then plug this with a plate or something. Okay, so I've got a hole cut in this box. Just started it with a big drill and then used my little jigsaw saber saw to cut the hole. And I've been using a grinder to kind of slowly make it fit. Goes on about like that. There's a few little gaps. I can just fill this silicone. You can still get it apart to get the filter out. Okay, we'll work on figuring out how to attach that now. Okay, so I've bent up a tab. See, it's got a little step in it. I'm going to pop rivet in here. One rivet on the front, one on the back. That'll hold the top in place. Then we'll work on fastening the bottom. All right, let's pop rivet this tab in here. Do it from underneath if I can get it in there. Yeah. Okay, now I'll make sure it's positioned in the right spot and drill the hole right through the top. Alright, I'm not going to pop rivet the top one right yet. So we'll just put a cleco in there to hold it. Okay, now I'm going to drill a pilot hole through the bottom corner over here. And I'll re-drill it up through the bottom a little bit bigger. Okay, there's a little bit of a gap between the box and the spoiler, so I'm going to slide a spacer in there. And I've got a button head, socket head, cap screw. I'm going to slide through. Looks like I need a little bit longer one. Okay, I don't have the right length hardware, so I'm just going to put some temporary bolts in. Okay, there's one side. Now we'll do this other side over here. So I don't know if I mentioned it, but I'm drilling a small pilot hole and then I'll drill it bigger with a bigger bit. That way I can kind of straighten it up a little bit since I couldn't go straight through. Okay, again I got to put a spacer underneath here. Looks a little too tall. Okay, got her bolted down there temporarily. Let's see how it goes together. Filter that we pop in here. Cover hooks underneath the bottom. Okay. Looks good. I'll get the correct hardware for that. And I'll figure out what hoses I need and start plumbing it to the intake. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.